This is a world-class restaurant? You are just a kid. You don't understand this kind of food. If you want cheap food, go to a burger shop.
My son knows what tastes good. Good food does not need a famous name.
Wow, Jack! Look at this place! Everything is so shiny and gold!
I know, Lily. This is the most famous steakhouse in the city.
Dad, why are the chairs wearing gold clothes? Are they kings?
No, Leo. It is just very expensive decoration.
Look! There is a man with a big knife. Is he a ninja?
That is Salt Beam, Mia. He is the famous chef.
He is coming to that table. Watch his hands.
Welcome to my home. Now, watch carefully.
Oh no. Mom, the salt is touching his dirty arm. Why is he dancing with the meat? Food is for eating, not for dancing.
Shh, kids. That is his special style. People pay a lot of money to see that.
How much money? Like $10?
No, Leo. Much more. A golden steak here is $650.
$600? Dad, we can buy 1,000 Lego sets with that. I don't want gold. I want a burger and fries.
Mia, be polite. We are here for a special dinner.
I hope the food is as good as the show.
I hope the salt is not on his arm when he brings our food. It looks itchy.
It's okay, Mia. I get it, but let's give it a chance and just enjoy our dinner.
Look! The food is here! It is so big!
It looks like a giant dinosaur bone. Can we really eat all of this?
Yes, Mia. This is a tomahawk steak. Let's try it. Leo, you go first.
It is very hard to chew. My teeth are tired. Oh. It is too salty. It tastes like the ocean in my mouth.
You are right. It is very dry. The meat looks good, but it does not taste good.
Jack, this steak is $275. It should be perfect.
Yes? Do you love my masterpiece? I am sorry, but the steak is very salty and a bit dry. Salty? Dry? No, you just do not understand premium beef.
But my dad makes better steak at home. It is soft and yummy.
At home? This is a world-class restaurant? You are just a kid. You don't understand this kind of food. If you want cheap food, go to a burger shop. Do not teach me how to cook. You can talk to me, but do not talk to my son like that. He is just a child. The truth? A child knows nothing about food. He should eat chicken nuggets.
My son knows what tastes good. Good food does not need a famous name.
You pay for my skill and my fame. Luxury is not for everyone. I can pay the bill, but your ego is too big. You care more about the show. My show is legendary. People wait months to sit at this table. Then they wait for a lie. This steak is overcooked and too salty. You think you are a chef? You are just a man in a cheap shirt. I am a man in a cheap shirt, but I care about the food and the people. Caring does not buy a fast car. Now, be quiet and pay the bill. No, we are leaving. You have forgotten the heart of cooking.
I thought good food should make people happy, but this doesn't feel special to me.
Jack, let's go. I don't want to stay here.
Good. Pay the bill and leave. You are not important enough for my steak.
Dad, he is a very bad ninja.
Don't worry, kids. Let's go find some real food.
Jack, look. That man is taking a photo of the restaurant.
That is Mr. Miller. He is a very famous food critic. Hello there. I am Mr. Miller, a food critic for the Daily Food magazine. Oh, hello, Mr. Miller. I am Jack, and this is my family. Nice to meet you. I saw you leaving your table. Was the dinner good?
No, it was too salty. And the meat was like a rock.
I see. That is very interesting. Saltbeam, your steak looks beautiful, but this family is leaving. Why? They do not like my art. They think home cooking is better. Interesting. Jack, is that true? Yes. My father taught me that food is about love, not just expensive gold. Then I have an idea. Let's have a steak competition. The winner will be on the front page of my magazine. A competition? Against a normal father? That is easy. I am sorry, but I am not a professional chef. I don't want to compete.
Jack. Your father's steak recipe is special. You learned it from him. I've tasted it. It's better than any restaurant. You should show them.
Dad, please. You can do it. Yeah, Dad. Show him that Grandpa's steak is the best in the world. Grandpa's food always makes us happy. You can make the critic happy too.
Are you scared, home chef? No, I am not scared. Okay, Mr. Miller, I will do it. I will cook for my family and for my father. Excellent. We meet tomorrow right here, in this restaurant. Get ready to lose. I have the best meat and the best salt.
And my dad has the best heart.
Let's go home, everyone. We have work to do.
Look at all this meat, Dad. We have tomahawk, a sirloin, and filet. Which steak is the best for the battle?
They all look good, Leo. The fillet is very soft, but the tomahawk has that big bone and a lot of flavor. I am not sure.
Let's choose the tomahawk, Dad. It is like the one at the restaurant, but we can make it better.
You are right, Mia. We will show them how a real tomahawk should taste. Okay, let's start cooking. Simple seasoning is the first step to a great steak.
Just look at that crust. That is a work of art.
It smells amazing. It reminds me of your father.
It tastes amazing, Dad. It is so juicy and full of flavor. This is the best steak ever.
Thank you, Leo. That makes me happy. But I am worried. Saltbeam is a very strong chef. My food is just too simple.
Jack, don't say that. Remember, your father was a legendary chef. Everyone loved his steak.
I know. He taught me everything. He was a legend. But Saltbeam has gold and expensive machines.
Your father didn't need gold. He always said, "Don't cook to impress people. Cook to connect with them."
Wait, I get it now. Cooking is not about showing off. It's about caring for people. Saltbeam cooks for fame. He wants people to look at him. But I am not cooking for the judges.
Who are you cooking for, Dad?
I am cooking for you, for Leo, and for Mom.
We believe in you, Dad. Your food is the best in the world for us.
That is the secret, Jack. Cook with your heart, just like your father did.
Yes, I have a plan now. It will be simple, but... Welcome to the steak battle. Here is Saltbeam and our home cook, Jack. Pick your steak and show us your best dish.
Good. I will make a gold tomahawk steak. Big, rich, and perfect. I will cook a tomahawk steak too. It is my father's recipe.
I see. Very interesting. Are you both ready? Good. 3, 2, 1. Start cooking.
I use gold, butter, and special salt. This steak will shine like a star.
I keep it simple. Salt, pepper, and thyme.
Time is up. Please, bring your dishes. Look at this, a perfect gold tomahawk steak. It is rich, it is beautiful, it is power. This is my steak. No gold, no show, just real flavor from my family. That looks so basic. You cannot win with simple food. Please be quiet. It is time to taste.
I'll try Saltbeam's tomahawk first.
This is very nice. The meat is soft and cooked very well, and the flavor is rich and strong. I can taste the butter and the special salt in every bite. You have great skill, and you control the heat very well.
The gold on top looks beautiful and shiny. And it makes the dish look very expensive and special.
Everything is clean, careful, and very precise.
This is what perfection tastes like.
Moving on to Jack's creation. Let's see what he's got.
Oh, wow.
This is very soft and very juicy, and the meat feels fresh and natural.
The flavor is simple, but it is clear and perfectly balanced. I can taste the salt and pepper, but they do not cover the meat. They help the meat taste better. When I eat this, I feel warm and comfortable, like I am at home.
Both dishes are very delicious, and both chefs did a great job.
But I have made my final decision. The winner is Jack.
No, this is not fair. My steak is perfect. Calm down, Saltbeam. Your steak is excellent, but you did not taste Jack's food. Please, try it. This is simple, but very deep.
The meat is soft. The taste is clean. Everything is in balance.
I see it now. My steak has gold, but your steak has a soul. I think I forgot what cooking is really about. It is not about the show. It is about the people. Thank you for reminding me, Jack. You are the true master today. I agree. The winner of the Great Steak Battle is Jack.
Yay! Daddy won! Daddy is the best! We told you, Dad. Grandpa's recipe never fails.
I am so proud of you. Your father is smiling right now.
Jack, your family will be on the front page of my magazine next week. Thank you, but the best prize is this moment. Let's go home and have a real party.
Yes! To the best steak in the world!
Today was a big day. I learned that cooking with love is the most important thing.
That is so true. Family and heart make everything better.
Now, a quick question for you. Why was the steak bad at the restaurant?
A, it was too sweet. B, it was too salty and hard. C, it was too small.
Please comment your answer below. It is the best way to practice your English. By the way, where are you watching us from? Which city or country?
It is amazing to see people from all over the world learning together. We are a big family here.
You did it. You finished a whole story in English. Your brain is growing, and I'm so proud of you. Did you notice when Jack said, cook with heart? In English, when we do something with heart, it means we do it with all our love and sincerity. Now it's your turn. I have a small challenge for you. Can you make a simple sentence with thought and write it in the comments? Here is an example. I study English with heart. I will read your sentences, so do your best. Keep practicing and keep learning. I will see you in our next adventures. Goodbye.